Today what you gonna do? Do you want to fix the car? Right?
This.
Do you know how to fix? Come on, I help you. Oh, do you know? Something on that. No, not enough. Let's go.
I'll do it.
Jumping. Yes, like that.
And then again.
You turn around and you. No. You screw this one first.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
go. Fish wet can. Ready? Yeah. You have to set this one horizontal, and you can stand it on. Can move out. How easy, Ellie? You have to rotate to this side. Rotate to this side. And you stand up. Can move out. For safety. Jumping. Jumping. Ellie. Yeah. Move to another side. And Ken, please move before Ellie jumping. Yeah, I know. Put it there. Yep. Look, Ellie. She's jumping on the tie. She knows how to jump. Wow, very good. Very smart. That's easy. Yay, you did it, Ellie. Is that easy, Ellie? Very good. You know how to fix the tire? When you got the tire flat. How easy. Just turn the screw up. Look, what's that, Ken? What's that? Nut? That is a nut from wheel, right? You can remove. Yeah, it's black, dirty. Put another side. Ellie, be careful. Ken face. Ken, do you know how to fix? Ken, do you know how to fix? Right? Easy, right? Be careful your hand, finger. You have to push like this. Yeah, you have to stop moving like this, and you can. Be careful in your hand. Use the wrench. Use the wrench better. What's that? You got a screw stick on the tire, right?
Yeah, and it was before when you do the wheel. Mommy and Daddy worked for this one to get this thing out.
The screw.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's why it looks weird a bit.
We try to fix now, and we already did it. And now we try to put the wheel back. Ellie, let's go. Push it back into.
And one thing I want to tell you guys, come and look here.
What's that?
I think it was this way. Yeah.
What's that?
You see here? There's a mark. Right.
There's a mark. We already marked. Yeah. Okay. We put it on there to be same mark. Let's go. What's letter? Yeah. Come on. Do you know which side
Yeah.
to be installed? This side. Very good. Good job. Have you checked mark?
Yeah.
this one to be that one. You have to rotate again. Oops. ตอนนี้ทำอะไรอะไร You have to put this side in. Ellie, this one, the sharp one.
Just warning, guys. Children should not do this. I do this because without parents.
Without parents.
I can because I'm 11, so yeah. And do not let children hold the wheel because
It's danger.
If some children think that it's not heavy, but actually it is heavy. That's why I can't hold it up. And that's why I need Daddy's help. So I need this will hold it.
Do you know how to survive if you drive somewhere and you can fix by yourself without waiting?
Do we have to screw it harder?
How hard? Yeah, you try to put the nut into the screw, into the bone one. You try to screw every nut first, and then you try to finish by rotate it harder. Make it strong one. Try this one first. Try this one first to be hard for before. Everyone should be tight before you get start to tie it stronger.
I already tied this stronger. I think so.
You have to release a bit.
Maybe try another.
Release a bit. This one, release a bit, and just be equal. And try 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross one.
One.
No. This one. You have to put on this way because you just step on the screw. Easy, and you stand up, and you put your weight onto the arm, and easy. Yep. Yeah, send to the next one.
Okay.
And you have to put the second one crossway. This one and this one. Okay. You have to push this way because you just stand up. Yeah, this one. How easy? Done?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
No.
And how easy? Just easy, right?
Yeah. I
When
like to, the first part we take out this wheel.
This is a spare wheel.
A really little wheel.
If we got the tire flat, we can change spare wheel from the back.
From the back here.
Yeah.
like a secret,
That's a secret of.
yeah, secret stuff like